Қалайсыңдар қыздар, жігіттер? Бүгін Британияда тұрып жатқан шетелдік азаматтар Айжан Байзакованың суреттеріне қарап, оның қай елден екендігін табуға тырысып көреді. Ал кеттік. Chinese, you think? So you said South American. Indonesian? Are you from Indonesia?
Yeah.
Namaste. Assalamu alaikum. Where did she come from? Origin? Ethnically?
Japanese.
She's Japanese, I think.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. So, where are you from, guys?
India.
Oh, you're from India. So when I said namaste, yeah, I guess. So you think she's from Japan, and you think,
Vietnam.
guys, she's from Kazakhstan. And no one guessed, so that's why I try to choose the most difficult picture.
She's from
Kazakhstan.
our university.
Oh no, she isn't. So you wanna meet her? You wanna date her? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम सैयद है.
Ah, good.
Where did you learn
My name is
Hindi?
Danny. I know few words, yes.
Have you been to India?
I've never, but I want.
You watch Bollywood movies?
In my childhood, I used to watch Indian movies, Disco Dancer, Gita and Zita. Do you know Gita and Zita?
Gita and Sita.
Ah,
Very old.
Zita and Gita, or Gita and Zita, and the Disco Dancer, Mithun Chakraborty.
Yeah.
I am a disco dancer.
Philippines or that Southeast Asian country? Yeah, less Korean.
Korean,
Thai?
Thailand.
I want to say like Southeast Asian.
Uh-huh.
Like she might be from like another part of the world.
So we mean Philippines, Malaysia, something.
Yeah, but like my gut
Be like
says my gut says American.
America.
Yeah.
What about you? You're from Europe. Yeah?
Yeah,
Can I guess? Just okay. I'll try. Three choices. Okay. When I saw you, I thought that you're from Austria, but yeah, I was mistaken. You're from Central Europe. Central. Something like Hungary, maybe.
Why did you thought that we're from Austria?
Yes.
Why?
Because your language sounded like German.
Okay.
That's why I thought. So what does your Akim?
Austria, right? You're from Austria.
You're from Austria. Oh, good.
Asian.
Yes, she's Asian.
Do I have to guess what part of Asia?
Yes.
So, well, that's a good question. I don't know if Philippines could be.
Қазір бірінші кезекте Байзакованың видеоларын қарап көрейік.
Just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the time. Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, just stare at the fame. Turn the TV on.
Құрметті қазақтың қыздары, көрдіңдер ме қандай қазақтың жігіттері бар? Сен қазақсың ба, қазақ емессің ба? Ой, ёб твою мать.
So they will, first of all, introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Rehan. I'm from Turkey. And I'm having my master's here in marketing.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, hi, my name is Jita. I'm from Bangladesh and I'm doing MSc in International Strategic Marketing. So that's what we are doing right now. You can see.
Yeah, we're
Eating
eating
pizza.
pizza. Yeah.
No. You show us a picture of Kazakh lady and then see the expression.
I don't know, like artists.
She's an artist. You think?
Yeah, she like plays for the movies or series.
Interesting. So you think she's an actress?
Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, me?
Yes.
I think she's a nurse, I guess. I mean, she may be a doctor.
Oh.
Look at her eyes, the passion and the caring. I think this is my opinion.
What do you think?
She doesn't look like 20. She will be 23 or 24.
23 or 24? Does she smoke?
I guess she's a social smoker. Like she occasionally smoke when she like go out with their friends for drinks. But she's not a like usual smoker in my opinion.
Yeah, she's not regular smoker. I think when she is with her friends,
Yes.
then she can smoke.
Do Kazakh people like her?
I guess yeah. She's quite attractive, like
So-
probably they like her.
Don't they criticize her?
According to what? Like criticizing
Her style?
like her clothing style.
Yes.
I'm not that familiar with Kazakh culture to be honest, but
In Turkey, would be she criticized if she
in
posted?
Turkey, if she would wear those things in public,
Yeah.
she might be criticized by some part of the society, whereas some other parts will just welcome it.
Yes.
So it depends like which part of the country. I guess it's also like, let's say in big cities she will be alright. When she goes to rural areas like smaller cities, she will be criticized by people who are like a bit conservative.
She has her own choice, own right, own independence. If she wants to wear anything,
Yeah.
it depends on her choice. So this is absolutely her because she is human being, and I don't think that people should criticize about the clothes.